here. This week at Carroll Lutheran Village, we're going to be making a shrimp taco salad with Mango Pico de Gallo. So what we're going to do is we're going to make our Pico de Gallo, and then we're going to put that in the refrigerator, and then we're going to start our shrimp. So Pico de Gallo is typically a raw vegetable side. So we have some fresh raw ingredients here. We've got some cilantro, we've got some tomato, we've got some red onion as well, and I've got some fresh mango. So we're just going to cut all that down and put it in our bowl today. This holds really good in the refrigerator for 2 or 3 days. And it's actually really good on fish and seafood and chicken as well. So we're going to dice everything up. There's our tomato. We've got our fresh mango here. So we're going to dice our fresh mango up as well. You want to get it to a 1/4 inch. So we're going to chop that up nice. And then we're going to mix all this stuff together in a bowl. So we've got our tomato, and we've got our diced mango, and then we've got some red onion here. So we're going to dice that as well. Chop up some of our cilantro and put in there. Okay, so you can see what the size is there. And then we've got some of our fresh cilantro. I'm going to pull those leaves off the stem. It's okay if you get a little bit of the stem in, but you don't want it to be a whole lot because it tends to get bitter and tough at the end. So chop that up a little bit. You don't have to chop it real fine. You want to leave it nice and coarse. And just give it a little chop there. And we're also going to add just a tiny bit of salt and pepper. So we'll put that in our bowl. You can see how fresh that looks. And we've got a little bit of salt and pepper here. We're going to put that in. And it's really good when you let it sit overnight. Stir that up a bit. Okay, it looks a little dry, but trust me, when it sits overnight, it's gonna have some little bit of liquid to it. So there. So we're gonna let that sit, and then we're going to get the rest of our ingredients together for our shrimp taco salad. So now we're going to cook our shrimp for the shrimp taco salad. So we're gonna saute this on a burner. And we're going to put a couple shrimp in there. You can use whatever shrimp you can find at your local grocery store. I'm just going to cook that down a little bit. You want to get your pan hot and then put your shrimp in. Then you want to turn your heat down to medium. You don't want it to burn and get tough on the outside. So we're just going to let that cook a few minutes, and we've got some seasonings and things here that we're going to put in our shrimp. And these actually, you can serve these warm or serve these cold, it doesn't matter. We're going to put it on a taco salad, so we're going to be serving these warm. I'm just going to let that cook in a little bit of oil. Salting that up good. Doesn't take very long. You can see how the shrimp are turning pink. Okay. Now once those shrimp are cooked, you're going to turn the heat down and you're going to start adding your seasoning. So what I have here is a little bit of taco seasoning. I'm going to put some of that in with your heat turned down. And a little bit of paprika. we've got some cumin. Stir that up. And then we're going to do a little bit of fresh lime. So we're going to cut a lime in half, and we're going to give that a little squeeze in there. Okay. It's going to make a bit of a sauce. Smells really good, very summery. Maybe a little bit more lime there. All right. Well, like I said, you can serve this cold or serve this warm. But now our shrimp is done, so we're going to put together our shrimp taco salad. Now all our ingredients are together, and we're going to put our shrimp salad, taco salad together. So I've got some fresh corn. So we're going to put some corn on the greens here. I've used romaine lettuce today, but you can use any lettuce you like. We're going to put some shredded cheddar cheese on that. I've got some black beans here. Be sure to rinse them before you put them on the salad. Okay, that looks good there. And I've got some fresh avocado. We're going to slice that and put that on our salad as well. So I like to just slice it right in the skin there and pull a couple slices off just like that. We'll do one more. Lay that on there. All right, great. Now we come to our shrimp. You can see how nice that looks with the cumin and the seasonings. We're going to put that shrimp on the salad there. Oh, it smells amazing. All right. And we've got some sour cream and salsa we're going to put there. And of course we've got our Mango Pico that we made a little bit earlier. You can see that's kind of getting a little bit juicy as it sits. Our Mango Pico, we're going to serve that on the side of our taco salad. And we've also got some house-made tortilla chips to go along with it. And that is our shrimp taco salad with Mango Pico de Gallo.